Yes.
We got the food! Here it is. What do we
Thank
do
you.
with that?
Well, just pass me it. Drop it. Thank you. Can I ask you a question? Is she gonna have to eat it? First of all, how can she eat it when, look at her. I'm just gonna rub it on her like so. Alright,
What just happened to me?
Foodly is alive now.
But I have a scratch! Oh, help me, guys! I have a scratch. Good thing is you're alright.
Yeah, we're all happy you're alright.
You
But
know how much
you're
we
gonna have to
traveled?
take it easy. Because that scratch could be bad.
And it could be contagious!
And it's not contagious, don't worry.
Oh, good. I don't even want that scratch.
Well, I'm glad your friend is alive. But do not be running around really
Are you kidding?
fast.
I always go for my daily run.
Well, I'm sorry, Foolie. Not anymore.
Oh, man.
Until that thing is healed, you're gonna be careful.
Okay, understand. Thank you for healing me.
No problem, Foolie. If you ever need some help with that scratch, I got the right stuff for it.
And thank you all so much for, helping me survive.
No problem,
No problem.
Foolie.
That's what friends are for.